So here we have the Quoya Gateway Hub, which allows you to control your smart lock remotely anywhere. This is a great addition to your smart lock if you want to, for example, remotely open or close your smart door. So now the door is unlocked remotely, for example. You want to create dynamic codes remotely when you're not at home. So this gateway hub will allow you to essentially control your smart lock remotely without having to be near the smart lock at all, which is a very, very good addition. So how do you pair it? So once your smart lock is paired via Bluetooth with the app, your gateway is also paired with the app. All you need to do is go to your app, select the gateway, go to Bluetooth devices, add device. So go to Bluetooth devices, add device, and add associate Bluetooth devices because it's already in the system. You should be able to see your smart lock here. Give it a tick, click on to confirm, and if there's a pop-up, just say join, and it says it is now added successfully.